Look at this chart. On the left, we have a standard savings account returning around 3%, barely moving over time. In the middle, a fixed deposit sits at about 7%, better, but still relatively flat. But on the right, you see the upward curve of a systematic investment plan, or SIP, compounding at 10 to 15% or more. Over 10 or 20 years, that difference translates to millions of rupees. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to capture those returns. We are going step by step, starting from absolute zero, to get your very own automated SIP fully running on the Angel One platform. Before you download the app, you need 3 specific items in front of you. First, your PAN card. Second, your Aadhaar card, which must be linked to the active phone number you are using right now. And third, a UPI app installed on your device. Having these 3 tools ready right now means you can breeze through the entire setup process in less than 5 minutes without having to pause or dig through your desk for documents. Open the Angel One app. The very first step is to enter your mobile number. You will receive an OTP. Submit that and then tap Continue with Gmail to link your primary email address. Next, the app will ask for your PAN details. Type in your PAN number exactly as it appears on your physical card. Now you will connect to DigiLocker to verify your identity. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number, hit Submit, and wait for the OTP to arrive on your Aadhaar-linked mobile phone. Type that in. You'll then be prompted for your 6-digit DigiLocker PIN. If you cannot remember setting one up, simply tap Forgot My PIN at the bottom of the screen to reset it quickly. To connect your bank account, select the Verify with UPI option. The app will open your UPI app and ask for a 1 rupee test payment. Once it goes through, you will see a Transaction Successful screen. Make sure the bank account you use for this test is in your own name. And don't worry about the single rupee. It is securely refunded directly back to your account within 48 hours. That quick sequence of digital approvals just saved you from filling out pages of physical paperwork. Your financial identity is now securely verified. Now for the selfie verification. The app needs a clear, unobstructed view of your face. Step into a well-lit room and take off any glasses, masks, or hats before you tap the camera icon. After the selfie, use your finger to draw your signature directly on the screen to finalize your profile. Pay close attention to this next screen. You will see 2 account options. Ignore the Premier Pro tier and tap Proceed with Basic Plan. Accidentally selecting Premier Pro charges an upfront fee of 299 rupees. The basic plan is completely free. From here, fill in a few standard details like your gender and annual income. When it asks for your trading segment, choose All Products or simply Equity and Mutual Funds. Add a family member as a nominee for your account. Finally, complete the Aadhaar e-sign process to submit your application. You will see a status screen confirming your documents are successfully verified. By following those steps and avoiding the premium upgrade, you've successfully set up a high-powered investment vehicle without paying a single rupee in fees. Look at the main dashboard of your new account. Tap the Mutual Funds tab at the top. You are now looking at available funds. A good metric to check first is the historical 3-year return percentage, listed next to each fund's name. If you tap into a fund and scroll down, you will find an in-app calculator. You can use this to map out exactly how a specific monthly amount could grow over a set number of years. Once you choose a fund, hit Invest Now. This is the most crucial step. Look at the top and make absolutely sure the toggle is set to SIP and not one time. Enter the amount you want to invest each month. You can start a SIP with as little as 100 rupees, though 2,000 rupees is a standard starting point. Next, select the date for your automatic deduction. It is best to schedule this for the day immediately after your monthly salary usually hits your bank account. Tap Pay. The app will redirect you to your UPI app to complete the transaction and officially fund your very first SIP. The moment that payment clears, you stop being a manual saver. You are now an active investor, and your wealth building is running on autopilot. Take a look at your active SIP dashboard. Your money is officially in the market, working for you. Now, if you are worried about your money being locked away where you can't reach it, let's look at the SIP control panel. This menu shows you exactly how much access you have. You can pause your investment indefinitely, skip a single month if cash is tight, or tap Withdraw to pull your money out entirely during an emergency. Even though your investments are automated, you retain 100% control over your liquidity at all times. You can find the link to open your Angel One account in the description below and start right now. As always, remember that investments in securities markets are subject to market risks, so read all the related documents carefully before investing. By understanding exactly how to set up and control these digital tools, you gain the ultimate power to dictate your own financial future, no matter what the market is doing.